Hello, so welcome back on my stream. So we are trading just with the 100 fair value gap. This one, as soon as the market comes and taps our entry, should with here, stop loss goes to here. We will be in our 100 block entry, and we are going for 1 is to 3.77. That is 5.72 is our target. This is our target, and our stop loss. This is the 10k account. I think we will talk about this later, and I will pass this account. And this is the account that we are trading. The entry is at here. Although we touched my entry, but because of spreads I did not get filled in, and I am not in any kind of hurry to get filled in. Our stop loss is 51.30. 51.30. Okay, so this is the trade we are in right now. So let's observe it in this place. I think there is a standard fair value gap every morning during the SDA open. That is why I start early every day streaming. I'm thinking of streaming on X as because I have 3000 followers there. Maybe that can help me some boost with views. But I'm good here too. I'm waiting for our Thunder Farewell Gap to be tapped in. It hasn't tapped yet. My entry is here, but yet I did not get filled in. By the way, good morning to everyone living in India. I hope that I get filled in. If I don't, then I have to wait till next setup. Is there any liquidity? There is a liquidity however here. Yes, there are liquidities above, and market can very well go. Market very well can go to explore those liquidities. I still want to get filled in before the market goes up. I hope I am audible to everyone. The market did come and touch our entry, but because of spreads, we did not got filled in. Our spreads are quite low, like just 50 points, not even one pip. Let's look at NAS 100 and see what is it doing. Where is Bitty? We are not trading Bitty on this. We were trading Bitty on 25k account, which I'm managing and which is not my account. So let's just wait for our entry to be filled in and see how it goes. Let's check Dixie till then. The Dixie has some upside downs. The Dixie has downside momentum, opening, closing, opening, the gap. Dixie close the gap. Now it can go up, not come down. It is an uncertainty, but I'm hoping that the Dixie will come down. Coming back to gold, I think we will be filled in now. Yes, the entry has been touched. Now because of spreads, the entries. Yes, now we are in the trade now. The risk is $8. The reward is $33. It is 1:3 point something. Here you can see the risk is $9 actually, and the reward is $33. The target of the day for me. I am hoping that the market does not go in a side channel here to create and engineer liquidity. We are at 9:15. We just left macro time frame. We have this liquidity as well. It is the time of expansion. The market will expand either higher or lower. The down week has already been created in the gold. Well, this is a good candle for expansion higher. This candle close is literally a very good candle for market for the next candle to expand higher. We are currently at 1 is to close to 1 is to 1, and I won't be able to take any kind of partials because the lot is just 0.01. To take partial, I must should have traded with at least 0.02. Should I move to BE? No, not just now. Until we get like $20 in profit, it is either going to BE. It is either going to stop loss or take profit. Only after we get $20 in profit, we can move to $10 in BE. That's the real risk management. This is internal range, external range liquidity. The market is trying to take this out. I want to see a candle close above the wicks or below the wicks, and this is a good candle closer. We are 1:1 in trade. This is engineering of liquidity. The candlesticks were shrinking, so the internal range liquidity has been taken out. What will be this called? External or internal? I will call this external range liquidity because this have this price leg. This one would be internal range liquidity. Okay, we need three more dollars to raise our SL to $10 BE. This liquidity has been swiped. We are currently at $18 in profit, and we need $33 for to complete the target for today. If we get $20 in profit, I will raise my SL to $10 in BE. Yep, $10, $10. Where is $10? Think this is fair enough. I have to place a trend line to understand where is my SL. So we have our stop loss at here. Let's mark it red, and let's do an hypothetical trade, like our risk to reward goes like 1:5. So we are risking $10 to get $13. So we are risking $20. $10, yes, we are risking $10 to get $13. I only hope is this fair value gap. I am hoping that this fair value gap will hold the prices higher and not and stop and help me not get stopped out. Let's send it to back. And this one too. Now it looks better. Where is the next liquidity? We have some opening gaps on Feb 29 and March 9. I hope these two are taken out today. This is kind of an ascending triangle on 15 seconds or 5 seconds. Just hold the prices up higher. That's my hope by from this fair value gap. Once we get either a win or lose, I will show you my trader dashboard. So we have a new 5 minute candle. With this candle is a new 5 minutes candle. We are $25 in profit. So we will move our SL to $15 to BE. $15 right here. Now the trade zone is 2 3. Let's go for this trade. One is to one. Where is one is to one? The market can surely come to touch this fair value gap and take me out, but I will not move my SL down anymore. Let it do what it does. We will use our entry at where did we play our SL at? I think when the market was at not this position, just 21, 25, somewhere here. We moved our SL. Well, this is an hypothetical trade with when I moved my stop loss. You can see I moved my stop loss 15 when the profit was $25. Now the market is coming back down again, and it might take me out because the market might try to tap into this fair value gap, and which is a concern for me. But since I have raised my SL, I'm not going to lower it anymore. If I get stuffed out, I will look for another trade. And if you haven't liked this stream, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. And let me tell you one thing, that I am trading the 5k instant starter account for at $10. You can get the account from the description. It's just $10 for a 5k instant starter account. The maximum payout is $250. The minimum payout is $100. We have to maintain a consistency square of 15%, and this is my second week of trading this account. I'm currently at $187 in balance and $206 in equity. I might get stopped out, but I had to trust the SL as the profit was went up to the had went up to the $25, so $10. So it was $10 in risk for $8 in profit. $10 of equity risk for $8 of balance profit. That's how the trade went, the hypothetical one. During the macro second, it looks like the market will break up, but then it comes down. So I'm taken out now. So I'm taken out at $200 in profit. That is $15 today. I made $15 today, and in 10, 13 more, not 10, 15, 18 more dollars to complete today's target. Would be here 1 is to 2. Let's look at NAS 100 now and see if we have any trade going on. We do have this inversion fair value gap, but during SEA session, these things rarely work, and we don't know when it will work and when it will not. All the three stars are in alignment right now. I was taken out here at 1 is to 1.5, I think. At 1 is to 1.5. This was the trade today. And I might look for other entries to go long. Here we have a propulsion block. Do we have here a propulsion block? If the market come back and tap into this area, I might consider taking an entry and looking at the situations of the market at that time. The gold has swept this liquidity. Then we have this market structure shift. Then we have this internalized liquidity is also taken out. This liquidity is taken out as well. Let's mark the lowest liquidity. Let's look at USD JPY. But first, let's look at Dixie. When the Dixie has decided to go up, so if there is any trade here, the market is trading at just its new day opening of the USD JPY. We had this market structure shift here. Liquidity were taken out here. एक minute. Hello, I'm back. Then now let's look at the markets. Look at USD JPY. If we have here anything, if we have any propulsor block. Oh shit! So now the market is going up again. I shouldn't have traced my SL too early. The $10 trail was good. Let's look at our trader dashboard. The consistency has been dropped to 18%. Oh, it has yet not been updated yet. Let us press. The consistency has been dropped to 16.67%. If we complete today's target, we might be able to. That is 15. How much did we make today? $15. We need 15 plus 3, 18 more dollars. If we make $18 today, $18, we might be able to take a withdrawal. Let's look and see what kind of profit percentage we will get. This is the account that we are trading right now. It is going to our take profit at all. LOL. It was somewhere here, right? It was somewhere here, somewhere here. This is called LOL trade. Should we enter into this trade? Actually, we can enter with this model XauUsd plus FBG. The market trails back to this liquidity. This place we can enter again. So let's put in limit order, risking $5 something and M for $15. Stop loss will go to Entry will come here, stop price will come at $5, and our exit will be $15 or 15. Here $15 in profit. 10 plus 8, $18 in profit we will look for. I think this trail was a foolish idea. If our trailing was still here, we would have been in the market, and 15 20, our profit would have been $25 by now. But we have close to $15 to $10 plus $8 equal to $18 in profit we need. If we get our consistency down to 125%, I will surely request a payout today. Well, they are running 40 45% and 35% off with 200 plus refunds on Blue Guardian. You can check them out, and you can use code SachinM or use my link from the descriptions. That is instant account I am trading. Starter account. Okay. On the instant payout, the payout is instant and the profit split is 90%. So I would get like $120, sorry, $180 in payout. I will return just back now. So the trend ran away in our direction, and we just kept looking on it because of our foolishness of trading the SL too early. We got stopped out. We have again an entry here. If it gives an CISD, if it gives a CISD, then we can enter here. I will go with market order long. Now this trade is in a impulse. Risk like $6 to get $18. Let's get our marking done here. This can go against us, but the risk is only $6, and we will get more trades later in the other session. $51.84 is our target. 51.84 is quite above the market. Well, this is the time of expansion, so I'm not worried about the price not going till 51.84. My main concern is that I might get stopped out because I have taken an impulsive entry. I thought I would miss the trade if I don't hit enter right now, and this could be an paying stuff for me. No, might in this trade, but it will come back and take something out from me or out from my trade in the coming trades. So this was a totally foolish idea to get into this trade this way. Let's see if this fair value gap holds the prices and it send it to higher, because this do is just CISD plus FBG setup. It's liquidity defined. What is liquidity above? Is there any liquidity above? Let me show you. There is this liquidity. I think this liquidity has already been swiped, and there is this wick. I would mark it here. Yes, there is liquidity above. Here is the liquidity, and there is the CISD. The liquidity is at 177. Our target is at 184, but the wick is also there. It might go to fill the wick. By now, we would have been at in $25 in profit if we had this trade. We needed only 8 more dollars, but now we need about $18 to go home in profit and the target met. So the trade is running in our favor right now. The grab on liquidity is, let's define grab on liquidity. So our trade can work. Here it is. We grab on liquidity. This is our grab on liquidity, which is much higher than our profit target. There is grab on liquidity as well. I am hoping for the market to go and take those out today. How was the candles on 5 minutes time frame? Well, we just had a pullback, which is a good sign for us, and we will close the 5 minutes candle in 15 seconds. That means in we will have 10 seconds of micros. The impulse moves will come and go at this, comes and goes at this time. One more minute. Just wait for the markets to give us a TP or an SL. The market will surely come back to, surely come to take this, uh, yeah, take this liquidity out. And if there is liquidity lower, immediate liquidity, it will take that out too. It might come and take this liquidity out, but I am not so confident about that. This is a propulsion block, meaning this can drive the prices higher if it is valid. If it is a valid propulsion block, it will drive the prices higher. It might come and get tapped one or two or three times, but then it will either broke or drive the prices higher. So we are $5 in profit. We need more, $13. We are in macro time frame, that is 9:50 p.m. to 10:10 p.m. macro, and we will close the hourly candle in just 7 minutes. Let's see how this early candle is printing. Well, this is a zone of, I think this market will take out this liquidity for sure, and this is a zone of, uh, what to say, that supply zone. This is a strong supply zone. This can drive market lower as well. Like I'm quite uncertain about this trade. We are in a supply zone. The hourly candle will close in 4 minutes, 6 minutes, and I'm sure the liquidity at 180 will be taken out. If we had held this trade, our TP would have been hit by now. Our risk is $6 and reward is $18. That is 1:3. We are aiming for. We need $8 more to get the win in 5 more minutes. This is a new 5 minutes candle, and 5 more minutes to end the hourly candle and begin a new candle. All we can do is wait. I can close this trade now and aim for 10, 20, 30. If it's $20, then we aim for another $13 later. What have we aimed for here? What is our profit target? Our profit target is $18 plus $10, $13. We look for $7 more, then we will close the trade. If I close the trade right now, then we will win $22 in profit, and then we will need another $13, around $13 to get our TP hit. Okay, the sell side buy side liquidity has been taken out, and I am impulsing a small impulse move to our TP. I will trace my SL to $5 in take profit. I think this is a good trailing of SL. $4 more and our TP, and the goal for the day will be complete. Last 2 minutes to end the hourly candle. It might come down to give a wick. Last minute and 30 seconds to close the hourly wick. Sorry, hourly candle, and move into the next candle. I'm expecting a 2 more minutes. Sorry, audio 1 minute 20 seconds. I'm expecting a big move higher with the open of the next hourly candle. Last minute to hourly open. We need $3 more to close the trade. $2 more. Come on, come on. $17 one. Okay, TP hit. So we have hit our TP again, and we are in 15 plus 18. That is, let's give 2 to this. It gives 20. 20 plus 10, 13. 20 plus 13 is equal to $33 in profit. Let's review now what is our score. Our profit is about $221.61. I think I have to trade one more day. Yes, I have to trade one more day to get under 15% consistency. So today's profit is $33.79. We need to trade one more day and we will fall into 13% consistency. If we make $30 again, we will get to $250, $250 and dollars, and we will be able to withdraw whole 250 max payout from this account. So $10 will be turned into $225 after payouts and commissions cut. So thank you for being on the stream. Let me remind you again, I have two more people on the stream, so let me tell you again. So we were trading a 5k account, instant starer at $10. Hit that like button please. So we are at $221 in balance, and our today's profit has been made. That is $33.79. Our consistency score has fallen to 15.29%. And if I trade one more day with the same profits or even $10 in profit, I will be able to take a payout. But I want to make $33 more, and I'm kind of afraid that I might lose. If I have a losing day yesterday, it might ruin my psychology. But I will take care with my analysis and do the necessary as I was doing till now, and try not to take a hit in SL. Well, the starter account is instant and at $10. You can get the link from the descriptions, and you can use code SachinM to get the discounts off on that. The max payout is $250. Minimum payout is $100. And consistency score that you will need is 15%. So thank you for joining my stream, and we will meet you again later. TP hit, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit. This is TP hit. Bye bye. Meet you later in London session.